behind me on the rack is a 2012 Toyota Camry with 78,000 miles. The couple that owns this is part of my church family, and on a recent trip to the dealership for an oil change, the dealership recommended alignment and brakes, including resurfacing the rotors. They didn't feel like they needed those services, so they brought it to me for me to double check, and I wanted to show you what I found. With regards to the alignment, I see no wear issues with these tires. These tires are beautiful. I don't know if I would assume they've been replaced before. No problems with these tires. As I look over the suspension components, including ball joints, tie rod, sway bar, struts, everything is just flawless. Just flawless. Rotor surface, beautiful. Pad thickness, very good. We can even see the wear groove in there. I would guess that these pads have 30 to 40% life left in them. There's just nothing wrong with these brakes. Now, some people get super anal about their brakes and want to change them early. I'm just not that way. I might even let these wear down till the squealers start squealing. I don't know if you can see those pads in there, but they're nice and thick. No work needed here. I test drove the car and there was no squeaking, chattering, grinding, pulsation in the pedal. Everything was beautiful. With regards to the alignment, it tracked straight down the road, didn't pull left or right. Steering returned to center beautifully when after you turned on its own. I really think there's no problems with this car. So the point of this video is to avoid the corporate profit machine and utilize a small business with Christian character that isn't going to steal from you, make recommendations to line their pockets, taking away from the hard-earned money from a family